The following is the final in the championship tournament. Making her way to the ring from Juarez, Chihuahua, Mexico, Faria.
Hey, where's the horse?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what horse?
The high horse this superstar always seems to be on. Did Jerry Lawler write that line for you?
One of the most anticipated matches we've had in quite some time. And this woman is the reason why.
This woman is the real deal.
And from Copenhagen, Denmark, Samantha.
Backstabbing, lying, manipulation, you name it, this competitor has tried it. Not a way to make many friends backstage.
Well, here's a harsh truth for you, Saxton. Friends are overrated. Friends want chances at your title. Friends expect you to make sacrifices for them. Friendships are mistakes and regrets in the making.
So pathetic! It'll be over soon, don't worry! Wick!
This is a match she has long been asking for. She is more than ready to compete tonight.
These superstars have battled through and finally made their way to the final round. It all comes down to this. All the work, all the effort, all for this moment. Standing shooting star press, incredible. Agility like that, easier said than done, gentlemen. Boom.
Now that was athletic.
Quick reflex is so important in a match like this. Set up in the corner of the ring, able to get the advantage here. Blocks the boots, connects to the back of the neck.
High speed, sliding German.
She goes back inside the ropes. And the rope saber there. Boot to the stomach gives them separation.
Back in the corner.
Drop kick right on the money. Can she do it here? She kicks out at one.
She shows that she's far from finished.
Prying their opponent's arm out. Double stop right to the arm. Ridiculous standing shooting star. Sometimes you just gotta show off and show out. Look at that.
And off, there's the reversal.
Nice handspring evasion.
Drop kick. Just a tenacious assault from her.
Yeah, she just continues to unload on her opponent. This superstar building incredible momentum.
Oh, I mean, I don't know how the superstar is doing it. Down and out moments ago, back in it now. She's got it, got her shoulders down. Kick out.
Somehow she's still in this matchup. It's unbelievable.
Maybe not, maybe not. Still only got one. She is still in this.
Oh my gosh.
Big forearm. Out of the ring, she has to mind the 10 count. Has them hooked, looking for sliced bread, but a counter power slam. Waistlock go behind. Up and over with a German suplex. We're not finished yet. Another one. Oh, come on. Enough is enough. A trio of wicked German suplexes. Brought back into the ring from the floor now.
She's going up.
Top rope here.
Look at her stumble back up. Probably seeing double vision.
Watch out. Diving brain chop. She's taking some big hits here. Knee right to the jaw. Oh, what's gonna happen here?
Look out.
Exploder suplex.
Going for it.
Crossface submission is in.
Think about all the pain she's in right now.
There's no... Oh, the crossface is in good. I don't know how she's going to get out of this. Trying to break the grip and does. That was a great move.
Oh, here it comes.
Dragon twist cutter.
Tuck her in. It's bedtime. 2 count.
Oh, kick out at 2.
I would have bet this was 1 after that last hit.
Goes to show you just never know what your opponent's capable of. The best shot was thrown, but it couldn't put this match away. We might be close to the end. She's been on the bad end of a beating here, and it's starting to show.
Ooh. No.
Lands in the drop zone. That's playing fast and loose with your own body.
That is weaponizing your body. That's what that was. Oh, yeah, she's saying, let's go. Bring it.
Measured knee drop. And she's being held in check here.
Yeah, she needs to revise her methods quickly.
Right to the face. My God. She is just desperately trying to fight out of it. Right out of ringside and back to the mat.
Oh, ouch.
Trading back and forth blows now.
Boom.
Nothing pretty here, just good old-fashioned fisticuffs.
Ooh.
This is a war of attrition with neither superstar wanting to be the one who surrenders. What impressive determination from both competitors, keeping at each other no matter what.
Oof. 2 fighters putting their haymakers on autopilot right now.
Both absolutely drained, but both superstars just unloading, putting it all on the line.
That will leave you stunned. Another big move.
Dragon twist cutter, devastating. That's gotta be it.
2 count.
Finally over.
Here is your winner, Faria.
I can't imagine a world in which they're not proud of that win.